Hello, my lovely friends. Peace and blessings of Allah be upon you all. Yesterday, I was traveling by my car and a very intelligent police officer stopped me. He at once jumped in front of my car and stopped me. I stopped. He asked me, "Where do you live?" I replied, "With my parents." Then again, the policeman said, "Where do your parents live?" I replied, "With me, obviously." Policeman again asked, "Where do you all live?" I replied, "We live together." Policeman again asked, "Where is your house?" I replied, "Next to my neighbor's house." Then policeman again asked, "Where is your neighbor's house?" I replied, "You would not believe me if I tell you." Policeman said, "Please reply." I replied, "Next to my house." See you soon, man. Bye bye.